Hi guys! So Tiger has been super scratchy lately, so I'm about to make him e-collar using poo noodles! And I'm so excited to show you guys! Let's go! So these are just the things that I'm going to need. So I'm gonna need my poo noodle, and I'm gonna need some scissors. I haven't figured out which scissors I want to use, so I got both. A knife. And I just got like an old collar, which I'm going to release to the maximum before putting it in. Okay, so just gonna cut out just maybe about so now that I've cut all these, I am just going to get this collar and make it to the widest that it can go. Actually, I want to do this because I really don't like the big e-collars because I feel like he bumps into everything and it's so uncomfortable for him. So this poo noodle idea would be great. So I've got this whole thing up. And basically I'm gonna cut a hole in here and then after that I'm just gonna stuff it in. I'm just going to yank a hole in the middle. Tiger's staring at me like, Tiger! Okay, so I'm just yanking holes in the middle. Attempt to put it in. Not big enough. One down. So we got this poo noodle from Decathlon. It says here Decathlon. I think some poo noodles already have the hole, so you don't have to do this. So you can look for those. But this is what I had. So I just do this. And I'm just going to continue all the way. So the reason why I'm cutting it into like 1.5 inches is because it's easier for the curvature of the neck if it's slightly thinner as compared to if it's like one whole chunk. Like if it's a thick chunk, it cannot curve as nicely. Okay, got this. And you can see how if it's too compact, you cannot really bend it, so it's very uncomfortable for the dog. So you gotta leave some gaps in between so that it's still easily bendable. So, okay, I'm gonna try it on him. Okay, now there's a moment of food. Okay, sit. Sit. Stay. Are you ready to put this on? No? No, you're gonna stop scratching. Choo. 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 Oh, it's too tight. Oh, it's too tight. I'm gonna take out one. Okay. Can you just please look at his face? Oh my goodness, this is so funny. Oh my goodness, Tiger. So yeah, this is how I do my e-collar for Tiger so that he stops being so itchy anymore.
Are you okay, Tiger?
Oh no, he's not okay. Oh, oh, no more scratchy boy. Alright, Mama love you. Alright, hope you guys can do it at home too. Take care. Bye. Tiger, say bye. Tiger, say bye. Tiger.